Hello students, good morning to all. Welcome to all in environmental studies lecture. In this unit we are starting our unit number 13 and the name of this unit is the plants and animals need of water. So let's we start from our first point. First one is the all living things need water. All living things need water. Human beings, birds, animals, etc. They all need water. Take two potted plants. Keep them in the sunlight. Keep that plant in the sunlight. Water one plant every day. What you have to do? Water one plant every day and do not water the other. Other plant you don't have to water. What do you observe after 4 or 5 days? The plants which was watered is alive. The plant which was watered is alive and the other one dies. Why other one dies? Because it don't get the water. This shows that plants need water to live and to grow. Plants suck water from the soil through their roots. Plants suck water from the soil through their roots. This water is carried to all the parts of the plant through the stem. This water carried to the all part of the plant like leaves, branch, fruits, etc. by using the stem. Some plants need a more water like the lotus and the duckweed that grow in a water that needs more water, and that example of that plants are lotus and the duckweed. Now, plants like a cacti need a less water. See, this picture is about the cacti plant that needed less water. They grow in the desert where the water is scarce. They grow in the desert. Cacti have a thick fleshy stem, needle-like leaves, which help them to store water. Cacti have a thick fleshy stem that used for storing the water. Now, mangroves grow in a salty water where the rivers meets the sea. See, this is the pictures of the mangrove plant that grow in the nearby river or a sea. These trees have a special roots that rise above the water to breathe. The pine trees that grow in the mountains have a wax-coated needle-like leaves that allow a very little water to evaporate from the tree. The date palm can survive in a desert condition. This picture is date palm tree that survive in a desert conditions. These trees grow next to an oasis in the desert. Animals also need water. Some animals like a fish, crab, octopus, whale, sea, horse, etc. live in a water. They are called aquatic animal. Who are aquatic animal? The animal which are live in a water, that is known as a aquatic animal. The organs of this animal work properly only if they get enough water. The organ of that animal work properly when they get enough water. Animals feed by sticking their tongues out. A dog does so to keep cool and also when it is thirsty. Dog keep out its tongue when it keep cool and also when dog is thirsty. The camel is called the sheep of the desert. Camel is known as the sheep of the desert. It lives in a desert without water for several days. Camel can live without water for several days. It drinks a lot of water at one time, nearly 100 liters, and store it. It can last for about 20 to 25 days. Some animals need more water and others need less. Animals in cold areas drink very little water. The polar bear that lives in icy northern lands goes to sleep during the extremely cold winter months. This is the picture of polar bear that lives in icy northern land, and during the winter season it goes to sleep extremely cold. Many animals go through this sleep called hibernation, and they do not eat a food or drink of water during these times. They can live without water and also without food. Desert animals such as snakes, kangaroo rats, and monitor rats are adapted to conditions of less waters. Animals in a hot places need more water. Buffaloes, cows, crocodiles, elephants, and hippos like to wade in water. You can see in this picture these animals needs more water. Bigger animals need more water. In the forest, wild animals generally gather around a pond or a river to drink or a bath. In a forest, wild animals gather for drinking or bathing. In a cities, you can see stray animals like dogs drinking water from ditches. You must have often seen birds drinking water from puddles. So these are the about this unit. You have to try to understand this. Thank you, students. Bye bye.